Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline to start your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals. Today also we enter a short. Now it's very close to hitting for us the stop lose. That's a part of the game, guys. So even you can join us there. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle here, it's finished. It gave us here a pin bar. Let me show it to you. As you see it here, we zoom in here. It gave us here a pin bar. Like how it happened here in that level here. Now what shall we do? Shall we enter long? Shall we wait? Me personally here in the daily, I'm still waiting till it go up here. I'm breaking here that inside bar. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. That's what me I'm doing personally. Me I'm waiting the break of that inside bar because that inside bar is in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and that's why me I'm waiting till now. Plus people they been with me, they know that me I got a lot of Bitcoin. I buy from here. I got a pending order here. I got another one at 20k. So if that one here, that order I got here, the Bitcoin go up and breaking for me that inside bar here, I'm going to close that one here and buy the Bitcoin here to go with it. But the most important thing, it's need to break for me that 200 moving average here. It's need the Bitcoin to go back to break that 200 moving average here. If you haven't watching the DXY, I just put it in our other channel. By the way, to find it, just go here to the channel. Down you're going to find Index Insider, that our other channel. If you want to watch the DXY and the SP500, every day we put in there 3 videos, so you can join us there and watching all those things. But if you want just to watch that one here, that's another story. Bitcoin here, till now there is nothing, guys. We're still waiting the break to happen here and here. Me personally, I will wait in that one here because that one here, the trend line here, is going to be more accurate because over here we got the 200 moving average. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that's what we got today. We got here CBI, consumer confidence, and the jolt. So those ones, they will not affect the market too much. So, but that week we got a very special week. You need to be careful, guys. And here is our friend, is the table of us as we're looking at it every day. And what you see in here, guys, what you see in here are that those candles here, and Bitcoin one of them. We closing everything green. The Bitcoin, it closed Monday candle green, and US stocks or US indices, they closing green. That technically what it's telling us, we're going to see a red week. We just analyzed the SP500, the Nasdaq, all of them, they got a head and shoulder. Bitcoin has got a double bottom or double top in daily. So all those things, it's need to make you get worried, guys. Be careful those days. And that week, me personally, I'm not going to open any trade. I'm going to wait till the right time. Down here, we got our friend, the VIX, as you see it. What it's telling us, the VIX, it's 15, it's staying in his place, but it's closing Monday candle red, and even US dollar is closing Monday candle red. By the way, if you want to watch our DXY analysis, I told you how to watch it. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Maybe you're going to see a very red week, guys. But the only thing I can tell you now is going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, you remember what me I told you? I told you about that 50 moving average here. Now that candle would just close now. Look at it, what it done here. It's breaking the 50 moving average up. Should you enter long? Not yet. Me personally, for me to enter long, not yet. Yes, we got here a small flag here or small channel here, but it's need at least to break here for us to enter long. Till now there is nothing, so we need to wait in more till the right time. Plus another thing very important is that flag here. I've been talking about it for some time now, or that channel here, or that distribution level, call it whatever you want, names doesn't matter. If it's breaking here, it's going to be a major jump. If it's breaking down here, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down more. And one thing guys, you need to notice it very well. Because we are below in the 200 moving average in the daily. What that telling us? It's telling us we are in a downtrend. Yes, that level where we are is a very stronger level. And if you watching Monday video where we analyze the weekly candle, we tell you we are in the top of that falling wedge. So you need to be careful guys. For you to enter short, it need to break that falling wedge inside more, or to break here, that level here or here. So till now you need to wait in more till the right time. Now let's go in to see our indicator was saying today. So it's going there. Our indicator guys, as you see it, it's enter here to that level here. That means no one is controlling now. No bulls, no bears. We need to wait in more. You remember that one here? I've been talking about it. It tried to show us like it's break it here, but it's just a false breakout. Now let's see if it's going to break for us that last high, which is here, and to enter to the place where is the bulls they controlling. Till now us we still down here, and now we enter to that level here where is no one is controlling now. Now let's see if the market is going to change from that downtrend to an uptrend and to enter here. If it's enter here, we're going to see a major move guys. So I think picture is too clear. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into see our other indicator was saying. That one here, same thing guys, as you see it, staying here down at the oversold area. Level also we are in a very stronger level, and the chart thing, as I tell it to you, we got that one here. So us we waiting either to break for us that small channel we got here, that one here as you see it, or to break for us that flag here, that bigger one, because now the Bitcoin give us here a small channel like how it happened here. People that been with us, they remember it when we enter long tail the top here. Now it give us here a small channel, and Bitcoin those days is very flat because people didn't know it, and big investors they know it. They know it's coming very huge news that week. So that's why you see Bitcoin is going to stay flat here till the news came, because at the start of the month, the end of August and the start of September, it always be like that. Always the end of the month, it's always like that. So you need to be careful guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here also we enter a short. I'm going to tell you why also we enter a short, because we used to be here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Second thing, the market he give us here a double top here. It's breaking here. We enter from that candle here. We put stop loss in the top here. Now the market it reverse upward as you see it. It's near to hit for us the stop loss, because stop loss of us is it here at that level here. So till now us we still waiting, and now the market here he tried to show you like it's going to give you here a very big double bottom here as you see it. If it's breaking here, you can enter long again, but as I told you that just Monday. And look at that small channel me I just show you in the 4 hours. How is it clear here? You came and you do it like that as you see it, and down here you came, you do it like that. You see it or not that the channel me I just show you in the 4 hours? So that one you need to be careful about that. If we are going to break it here, we enter a long. If we break it down here, we will enter a short, and no matter how long the market staying here, it will not move to nowhere. Now it's very good chance for those scalpers, when it touching here they enter short to down, and when it touching down they enter long to up. That way I don't give a lot of signals in our Telegram and in our Discord, because we still waiting. So I think picture is too clear guys here. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. That's why also we enter that short, but now also still waiting. And now the price action you got that one here. You see it or no? I just show it to you. That channel here, you need to wait it till it's getting broke up or down. If it doesn't, there is no entry. And you saw me how I draw it. It's like a square between that one and that one. So that's what you need to focus on now. There is no trading now, unless if we're breaking above here or down here. How we're going to break a candle to come to close like that, or a candle to come to close like that. So till now there is nothing here. We need to wait in more guys. So everything is too clear guys. That's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button better writing down a comment. If you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.